and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's Monday Morning Minute. Today, I want to talk about one of the most important investments you can make for your implant practice, a CBCT cone beam. Whether you're placing a single implant, planning a full arched case, or evaluating bone quality and anatomy, 3D imaging has become the standard of care. A CBCT allows you to diagnose with confidence, accurately evaluate bone volume and density, identify vital anatomical structures like the maxillary sinus, and ultimately provide safer, more predictable treatment for your patients. At Shatkin F.I.R.S.T, we're proud to offer the Genoray Papaya and the Genoray GT300, two outstanding CBCT systems that deliver exceptional image quality, user-friendly software, and the reliability you need to confidently diagnose, treatment plan, and place one-piece implants. The best part is we've partnered with financing providers to make ownership easier than ever. We have extremely aggressive financing options, including 0% interest financing for qualified buyers, allowing many practices to add a CBCT machine with little or no upfront investment. When you purchase with Shatkin F.I.R.S.T, it includes a 2-day installation and training session right there in your office. So reach out to us today and we'd be happy to walk you through the options and find the perfect solution for your office. If you've been thinking about bringing 3D imaging into your practice or even upgrading your current system, there has never been a better time. Reach out to me today and we'd be happy to walk you through options and find the perfect solution for your office. Let's hear from one of our doctors from Carthage, New York, who just recently purchased his brand new Genoray GT300.
How you doing? I'm Dr. LaClair, and we just had to replace our panoramic and Ceph X-ray machine with a Genoray CT. So we're really excited to start using that. Genoray and Shatkin F.I.R.S.T made everything very easy. The financing process was seamless and fast. They were able to dial in what kind of machine would be perfect for our practice, and we're really looking forward to starting to use that CBCT every single day in the office. The installation on the CBCT was quick, simple. They were able to install it and train our staff very quickly. Within that first day, we were taking images on patients. We're really excited to use the CBCT in the office to help increase diagnosis, help to improve our endodontic skills, and help to start placing some implants for patients to help them out, stabilizing some dentures. We're very excited, and our team's really motivated to do so.
Thank you, Dr. LaClair. We are so excited to see your cases roll into Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. If you have any questions at all on a CBCT or an upgrade, please give me a call and we will be more than happy to help you out. I also want to remind you all about our International Academy of Mini Dental Implants. We're right about a month away and seats are filling up fast. It'll be in Branson, Missouri on August 7th and August 8th. We have Dr. Thomas Baggett lecturing. We have Dr. Todd and Dr. Jared Shatkin going to give a lecture. We have Dr. Dennis Flanagan and Dr. Boyd Shepard all taking the stage in Branson. We are more than excited to see you all there. Thank you, and we'll see you next time on the Monday Morning Minute.